What's going on YouTube? Thank y'all for tuning in to Model Car 1589. And make sure y'all go out there and get some mcvproducts.net. Purchase y'all some 3D printed products to bring your model cars to life. And also, go to Amazon and purchase yourself a master builder. Go to Amazon/master builder and get yourself a master builder today. And also, have fun and build your model cars and enjoy yourself. Thank you. What's going on YouTube? Thank y'all for tuning in to Model Car 1589. And as y'all can see on the bench, it's about wet sanding time. I'm about to wet sand the 64 Impala, y'all. I have been reading all the comments. Thank you to all the 27 comments. Thank you to all the brothers that sent me comments. I'm sitting here reading them, and right now everybody is telling me go down from 3,000 and make my way down. It depends on the paint and primer and the clear that I used. So I'm taking your advice. I'm gonna start with 3,000 and make my way on down. Okay, y'all, we're gonna start with the 3,000. The 3,000 just feel like paper. This is, I mean, y'all, this, hold on. Oh, man, I don't know what they are. Alright, y'all, we're going to start with the 3,000. 3,000 right here. It is, man, it feel like straight paper. I'm take my time with this, y'all. Real thin. Real thin. I really don't feel, it just feel like regular paper. 2,500. Same thing. It got a little roughness to it, but we're gonna start with these. And this right here is 2,000. That got a little grit to it, but yeah. So let's start with these right here, and then let's see how this process go. And hope y'all enjoy the journey. Okay, let's start with the hood. I mean the top. We're gonna start with the top first, y'all. Let's get into this. Let that soak. It's the 3,000 right here soaking. I heard to make sure I put a little water on top. Make sure that's right. So y'all can see. It's pretty good. Shine. Clear, like I ain't even had to touch it, but you know, I got to do this proper. And I want y'all to see each step that I'm taking. So let's get into this. This is 3,000 sand grit right here. And I heard to just work one direction, not too much. See what that do. It's looking good. It's looking good, y'all. And this is done with 3,000. Oh, look at that. On the edge, I went too close, so I know not to go too close on the edges. So I went too close right there. Look at that. Went too close, y'all. That's what I said. We got to live and learn. So now I know when I touch that body, be careful on them edges. So I don't know if this soap supposed to make it look like this is doing good, but let me see something. Drop that back in there. Microfiber. Let's go. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, let's check that out. It still got some shine on it. Okay, but as you see right there, really can't tell what you can. I can tell for sure it knocked off a little bit right there. But Let's see. Okay, that did that. Let's go to 2500. Let's see what 2500 is gonna do. Put that in the water. Let that soak for a minute. And I'll keep the little sponge, wrap it around the sponge, that way it stay moist. But let's go. Let me whip that around. Bam. Let's see. I feel it like it's a little rougher on it. Like if I put a lot of pressure on it, it's gonna take a lot off. Like I'm already seeing some type of effect. Yeah, I think this 2500 is the lowest I'm gonna go with it, because I'm feeling it already. So test run with the 2500 and the 3000, the combination. I'm gonna drop that over there. Look at that. You see the difference already on the with the 2500. Look at that, the difference already. So it knocked the big patch off. So okay, let me tighten this up, and then I say I'm gonna stick with the 2500, y'all. Okay, as y'all can see, I kind of went over with the 2500 everywhere, and it knocked off a good share of paint, but that's alright, because I'm about to put other paints on top of it, and I'm about to put some designs in it. So I like the 2500, y'all, so I believe I'm gonna run with the 2500, and that's the farthest I'm gonna take it. And then we're gonna wet sand this body down, and then alright, y'all, let's start with this body, and I'm gonna start with I believe this is 3000. I said I was gonna start with the 2500. I'm gonna start with the 3000, and I got everything kind of taped down. I really don't want to do too much, but you know, this hood first thing, man. So let's get into it. Yeah, you know, just thinking about them good days, my old times we used to have, you feel me? I remember we used to wake up every morning, look at each other, hugged up, be smiling. Nowadays it's like,
am I the enemy? Cause I don't mean to be. I'm just your baby's father trying to explain this stuff without get physically. This shit is spiritually. I sell my soul to make your dreams to be. I know your fantasies. That's what attracted me. This shit is deep. We've been through casualties and back up on our feet. I bought you diamond rings. You gave me precious things like love and family. 2 kids that's heavenly. I swear for everything.
just lightly scraping away, just enough to, I guess, irritate the first coat, the couple coats of clear I put on top of it. That's all I'm doing right now, I guess, with this 3000 is irritating them, because I'm trying not to scratch too much. You know what I mean? Because even though I got some more silver paint, I really don't want to have to repaint this over. But you know I will. I done did it many times before, and I would do it again, but I really don't want to. So I'm just lightly scraping off the first, you know what I mean, coat where it's rough enough to catch on to the paint, to catch on, and still bam. Okay, not try to do too much, just enough when I lay the paint down it's gonna catch. You know. Okay, so as you see, we irritated the hood. I'm not looking through the phone, but let me drop that in there. And let's go see how much damage I did. Sorry about that, y'all. Once again, this is a microfiber towel, so it's not really doing no scratching. It's just getting, drying everything up, dusting it off and drying it up. Let's see. Okay, we can see the irritation in it. Still got a little shine on it because I ain't really, like I say, I just did a little irritation just to did it pretty good. I didn't go deep in the paint, so I believe I did pretty good, y'all. Thank you for all your advice that y'all gave me. I think I did pretty good. Right there, this is a look like it. The glue, or not the glue, but the paint and the clear they didn't agree right there. But I like the way it's looking. So let's try the 2500 real fast. Okay, now we working with the 2500. Got it all wrapped up. Start with the hood like we did last time. Try not to.
Like it's supposed to be. I know you wifery deserve the finest things like from the Caribbean. When would you marry me? Except this diamond ring. Let's do it heavenly. Check in the Beverly. Let's smoke some better weed. The finest Earl steam is your whole body that I'm breathing. I'm hoping to be achieving the dreams you set for me and the kids that we be leaving. This lifestyle that I'm living, I really don't want to be it. But money, cars, and hoes, you know that could be deceiving. But baby girl, you got me. I know you wanted the realest.
And as y'all see, I got the sponge that's wet too, so that kind of keeps everything moist and copacetic. Okay, sorry about that, but yeah. So I see back here I can't go too rough because I'm knocking over a coat. I see I went too rough right there. If y'all can see how I went too rough right there. So hopefully it's still kind of silver, so I'm trying not to do too much, y'all. Let me go and get that wet. Try not to do too much, y'all, because like I say, I want this paint to be nice. You know what I mean? I kind of mastered I don't really master the lowrider stance, but I did a good job where I know where I want to go with it, and that's not going to be too much. It's more of I want my paint job to represent my motto this year instead of the stands. I want to get these colors right, you know. I want to get these colors right, really step up my game this year, you know what I mean? We at almost at the end of the year, and I wanted to step up my model game, get everything right. I want to become a master builder one day, you know. So yeah, and this is the 2500 y'all I'm using. Just going over everything real calm. I already went into the paint in the back. Okay. Bam. So let's go draw this off. Let's see where we at with it, y'all. Let me see where we at with it, y'all. Okay. I'm seeing that effect. Bam, you see that? So I want a little tough right there in the back right there. Alright, Put that to the side. So let's check it out. So okay. Let's do that. That's called a little good irritation, I guess. I don't see too much of cutting through where I gotta redo it again, except for right there. But like I say, the paints I'm using gonna cover that up. So this is the first part, y'all, on my wet sanding. How did I do? And let's get into this body work now. I'm gonna have to tape down and you know what I mean, start on the necks.